I had a vision to create my holiday every day in my own home, work-life balance. And within that came the home of Holism. The house was originally built in the early 19th century. It's a Georgian house and it's over 4 floors. It had been owned, classic story, by the same family for a number of years, and they had done no work at all. You know, it leaked. I had buckets out and all the floors needed relifting. It has been a total labour of love, but those challenges became the beauty of the project as well. The material palette for this project was very much based on what was here. It's important for us to have the lowest impact in terms of how far the material's going to be travelling. We had reclaimed floorboards from a house just in Harley Street. The kitchen downstairs, all of the wood was from windfall and ash, which came from East London. The clay plaster from the lower ground floor is all from Cornwall. And as you go through the centre of the house, you've got this amazing banister, which is all hand carved and it's all joined together. And we kept that. We used everything that was here. It was very important for it to be its own portfolio of what we do, but also the sense and the feeling you get, because when you walk in here, it doesn't have a strong scent. It doesn't have any chemical scent because everything's natural. We specialise in circular salutogenic design. Circular being the materials we take from the earth and use within our projects, being fully and wholly biodegradable, and salutogenic being the benefits that the interior design has on your health. It's making conscious choices in terms of what you surround yourself with. That's how the Bowerwork paint collection came about, because they're lime-based or they're earth pigmented. It just has this very sympathetic and sensitive finish. And I love the fact that they have absolutely no toxins in them. The colour is the most sublime colour. A very, very calming aesthetic, but not in a way that's cold. It's got some movement, it's got some texture to it. When it comes to a very simple interior, you have to be detail-oriented about it. And it was very important for me to have a visually unstimulating palette, because I suppose being on my computer all the time, I wanted to create a sense of being, of stopping, of just, okay, this is good, I'm good. This house was always about having a holiday. I ride absolutely everywhere. I like everything to be nearby. The area is really becoming alive and it has a really wonderful vibe. The space that resonates the most for me would be the retreat bedroom. It feels like you're in the trees. You don't see another house for miles, and for me that is such a luxury in the summer to have the windows open. And it's just fully green. Apple trees, cherry trees, pear trees. Country life in the middle of London. To have something at the end that you can feel wholly proud of is rewarding in itself. I know that we're on something because people are changing now. People are a lot more aware of the air quality within their homes, making sure that our homes are as healthy as they possibly can be. Walking into a space and knowing that everything that you've used within that space is going to be positively supporting human health. That makes me very happy.